Hi, this is John with WTI. And when it comes to having snacks or having any side dishes, for me, the versatility is always so important. And this is where this Imperial Nuts tropical blends comes into place. And what I like the most about this, when I say I love about this, is this nice combination of these tropical fruits. This is like dry banana, you got apricot, you got raisins, you got all these different fruits that once they're dried, it's like their flavors are intensified. And this is so versatile. This could be just a nice pack just to put it in your backpack that you have as a snack while you're going out. What I do is I actually add this to my oatmeal, and it's just a nice blend of these dried fruits that actually taste awesome. And the whole combination, once you put them all together, it just tastes awesome. So this was John with WTI. That was my point.